All right, guys. We have a 2015 F250, and I'm making this video because I cannot find anything online, but I think I found the problem and the solution. So I'm going to go through the problems first and show you the solution. Right now, when I turn the truck on, yeah, I know it has low tire pressure. I gotta fix that too. But I'm getting this oil light. So the oil light's coming on, and it's a low oil pressure. So when I give it a little gas and go over, I'd say about close to 1500 RPMs, the oil light goes away. Let's close this door. Clear that out. See, the oil light goes away. I drop it back down. Comes back on. Back up, goes away. And it comes back on. So that is the problem. So after doing some research, I found the problem. It was the oil pressure switch. That's it right there. It's a single pin. Focus. Single pin oil pressure switch. From Ford. Here is the part number. Now, AutoZone and Advance said that they could not get it other than from Ford, and they're going to charge me $15. So I went to Ford and I picked it up for right about $7. So if you come to the passenger side and you take a look, right here where your filter is, right above the filter. Let's see if I can get, hold on, I gotta get it deeper. Okay, so right there above the filter is your oil pressure switch. Now, as you can see, it has a little bit of oil on it. From what I understand, that is what is causing it to go bad. I don't know if it has a leak in the plastic or something, but that is the problem. So I got the part. I got some electrical wire cleaner to clean it up so I can make a good connection. And that should be the fix. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and we will come back to see if that fixes the issue. Okay, so far I had a little bit of difficulty. So because of this piece of frame right here, I wasn't able to get a deep socket on there. So I had to find me a wrench. It is a 13/16, and I don't know if you can tell, but up there is a piece of wiring and a loom, and you have to push it up just a little bit just to get that that wrench on there. But once you do, you can get a little bit of a twist on it. Now it has to be a pretty long wrench. As you can see, This is the one that I bought, but it can't get it in there. So, yeah, that's the culprit, hopefully. We'll see here in just a little bit. Let me take it off and replace it. You see how it has the oil on it? I guess it it melted some plastic on the inside and it started leaking. So, let's see. We'll be back in a second. Well, I got it out. And I was told by Ford, because I asked, if oil was going to be shooting out of it. They said, no, it's high enough above the oil pan. Well, yeah. So be ready to catch some oil. It's probably about half a quart on the floor. Yeah. Don't listen to Ford all the time. Okay, I got it on. One thing I suggest, because these are apparently something that happens quite often, is to, when you put it on, make sure that you can get to the clip the next time, because if the clip is facing a direction that makes it really hard to get, then it's gonna give you a tough time. Now that that's all done, let's take a look and see if it works. All right. So far, so good. I just have low tire pressure and no money for gas. Yay! We did it. So that is how you fix it. Let's do a little throttle. I think we're good. All right. Looks like we fixed the problem. So, remember, you're gonna have to get some, especially if you have a lot of oil, electronic cleaner. Make sure you spray it in there, get it nice and clean, because you don't want it to give false reading of it being dirty. Headlight will help. The deep socket will not fit, but the wrench will. And you're just going to have to wrench on it for a little bit. And that's pretty much it. That takes care of that issue. Hopefully we don't have any more issues with this truck for a while. But if we do, and it's something new, I'll go ahead and post it online for you guys as well. And hopefully I don't see you in the next one, because I don't want there to be a next one. But anyway, y'all have a good one.